So we got a 2014 Cadillac Xts-4. We're doing an inner outer tie rod replacement. Let's see, this is the outer. I got the inner somewhere around here. Anyways, this is, oh, here goes right in front of me. That's the new one. Now this is the tie rod tool. I got the other one, the actual set, in my shop truck, but I was gonna try to work with this one because of the space. It's limited. But anyways, most of the time we do these, all we use is this. And when I initially looked at it, I didn't think there was gonna be enough room to get it in there. But as you can see, once you remove that sleeve, it comes out to about right there once you turn the wheel. So this one's obviously bent to hit something, but to pretty much remove any inner tie rod from any vehicle, they don't really need a special tool. It's recommended, but I always use a pipe wrench, and I place it here on the actual inner tie rod itself, on the thread, well, the grooves right there. And you can use it on the lift, on the floor, don't matter, but I usually hang it around here, let it get a good clamp on it, and just apply pressure with my foot, because it's on there really good. But if you get this on there and just kind of lean back and apply pressure with your foot, it'll break loose. This one's already loose. I just gotta disconnect and reassemble. But yeah, just letting y'all know that for future reference. Not necessarily have to be on the Cadillac. Any vehicle with rack and pinion steering, you can remove the inner tie rod with that tool right there. And like I said, you can use a cheater bar and do it by hand. Put a cheater bar on the end of it just to give you some more leverage. But if you don't have a cheater bar, and you don't feel like wrestling with it, just put it on there and put your foot on the end of the handle and just apply pressure. Let the loosey righty tighty always, and it'll break loose. Thank you. Essentially, this is the setup you want to do. You basically get yourself in position to where you can properly take it off however you're comfortable. But I mean, I can't really get the camera in there and do it at the same time, but this is essentially the setup right there. Got that on the tie rod in right there, and just, you know, get yourself in there. And once you break it loose with your foot, you can just work it by hand. Two hands, of course, will be a lot easier than one.